Good morning. My name is Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVSAUDIO in Roselle, New Jersey. And I just want to do a little product review and unboxing. Today we want to talk about the elev8 from Stinger. It's early. It's 6 o'clock in the morning on a Wednesday. This is the way I start my day. I normally come in. If you guys know who that is, that's Gary V. Sit down, start doing my paperwork, listen to a few of his podcasts. Very inspirational. Like this guy. Then I map out my day, plan of attack, what I'm going to do. And this morning I was thinking I should definitely do a video on the elev8. Jeff Smith put me onto this unit about a year ago. Told me all the possibilities, what it does, what its strong points are. So I decided to order one in and use it for my smart car. It's our Sony demo vehicle. It's decked out with all Sony gear. It's a full three-way active setup, custom pillars. So in most of my vehicles I have an iPad molded in the dash. So I thought about it and I wanted to go a different route with this vehicle, because even though customers are into the whole molded dash thing and the iPad, it's cool, it's a wow factor, I wanted something that can deliver the same type of control, a clear digital signal going to the DSP, and the elev8 does that. It's one of those float mount large display units with a single DIN back, and it's modular and it's detachable. Really impressed with the weight and the quality of the screen on this unit. Doesn't feel like a toy. Looks like they spent a ton of money on research. This thing feels solid, doesn't feel like a toy. This is the control unit for it. It's about the size of a single DIN mechless, not as deep as a full DIN size. Has HDMI in, and then the main reason I got it, it's got optical out, so we're going to be running optical into our DSP. I chose to go this route this time around because in my previous builds I've gone into some sort of iPad or iPod converter that would give me digital signal out, like the Pure i20, and then that works really well, but then it causes its own problems, like you have to use the volume knob on the DRC controller because it's a fixed signal. With this unit, it's got optical out, Toslink, and it allows you to have control over your volume using the head unit, so I don't have to use the knob on the DSP. So that's great, that's awesome. So honestly, the reason why I bought it, so now we're going to go digital directly from this unit into the DSP. No RCAs, no speaker cables, it's going to be pure digital signal going in. So of course, it's guaranteed to sound better on the output side. Well, theoretically, let's see what happens. The unit gives you a bunch of mounting options. You can mount it in a single DIN sleeve, a double DIN sleeve, or they come with extension cables that you can order. With the extension cables, you can mount the brain somewhere else and then just flush this in the dash or center console. So if you're doing like an old school car, you can, as long as you have this much depth, which everyone does, you do a small center console in between the seat and the dashboard, leave the factory radio on the dash, can keep the factory look of the vehicle, but still have your CarPlay, Android Auto, digital out into your amplifiers, your Bluetooth. Let's see what it says on the box here. Sirius XM capable, HDMI input, Bluetooth audio streaming, Android Auto, and CarPlay. I mean, it has everything you could possibly need. I've seen this thing lit up. The screen is bright. It's really responsive. It's really fast. The only other unit like it on the market is the Alpine Halo 9, which is an excellent unit. We do a ton of installs with that, but the Alpine does not have a digital output. So the Toslink digital output is the reason I chose this unit. It fits my build and what I want to do, and I think it's something I can offer my customers. The only other head unit on the market that we carry that has a digital output is the $1,600 Sony, which is an awesome unit, but no screen, no CarPlay, no Android. It's just a super sound quality unit. This comes in at almost half the price and gives you, not that I'm comparing the two units, and just it creates a new marketplace, so you're talking $1,200 for the unit plus install. You can get this in the car, maybe $1,500–1,600 installed. Good sound quality unit, CarPlay, Android Auto, digital out. It's really unique. I don't think there's another unit on the market that's like this. It's a perfect fit for what I'm trying to do. So this is the video of the unit. give me a couple of weeks to get it installed and run it through its paces. Then I'll do another video in the car of how it works. This is basically how it comes in the box. There you have your screen, you have your mounting sleeve, you have your single dent sleeve, the brain, and then the accordion boot to cover up everything behind the scenes. It lets you adjust the screen angle. Hoping the unit lives up to the hype. There's a lot of people I respect that are already using it, and they gave excellent reviews, so I expect it will. And I'll see you next time. Let you know how it goes.